So, are your Apple AirPods losing sound quality, or are they not as loud as they used to be? Well, they may not be broken or defective, they may just need to be cleaned. Let's take a look and see how I do it. Say whatever you want. It's a dental floss looking case with two toothbrush heads inside, and they look funny when you wear them. Whatever. I'm no longer afraid to admit it. I am in love with the Apple AirPods. There, I said it. From going to the gym to long waits at the airport, the AirPods are with me every day, and I feel lost when they're not with me. That said, after several months of everyday use, I became concerned when the volume wasn't as loud as it had been when I first got them, and the sound wasn't quite as clear. Was I losing my hearing? Were they broken or defective? Well, while I still may be losing my hearing because I'm getting old, they were not broken or defective. They were merely fouled up with several months of sweats, earwax, dust, pocket lint, etc., and I needed to figure out a way to clean them. Well, I've tried several techniques. I have found the best product for me is the Loctite Fun Tack. And the Loctite Fun Tack is a mounting putty that's a removable, non-toxic, clay-like material. It is the least expensive, most effective way to complete stage one of the cleaning process. So let's pop open the package and see what's inside. You can find Loctite Fun Tack at your local hardware store. I'll put a link down below. This is a 2-ounce package. It comes with 5 sticks. I usually use half a stick per cleaning, and I simply just tear it off like here, and you can see it's kind of stretchy, but again, it's not sticky, and it doesn't leave a residue. So what I usually do is form it up and warm it up, and then I'll use it to start pulling off the dirt. But I'm just going to show you right out of the box a quick impression. Just pushing it into the speaker of the AirPod, and you can see we're already pulling out some gunk. Here's a quick example on this little mouse pad of the pulling power of the putty and how it does not leave any kind of a residue but pulls up all of the contaminants off of the surface. You can also use this for cleaning other electronics. Here's a quick example of a hard to reach area that's got dust on it. You simply push it in and pull it off, and again, no residue. Taking one more quick look at the putty once I've warmed it and formed it, pushing it into the speaker, getting a perfect extraction of all the debris. I also want to add, while this is not an original idea on how to clean, I have used other clay products in the past, such as plumber's putty or car detailing clay bars, and have found some of them to be very sticky and actually leave a residue, which can be counterproductive. You can actually get some of that stuff stuck in the speaker grill and make it worse. I have found this Loctite Fun Tack to be a foolproof method of keeping my AirPods clean. Of course, you can also use it on any other in-ear headphone. So the next step in cleaning the AirPods would be, once we've removed all of the visible debris with the Fun Tack, is to take a wipe with some isopropyl alcohol, and for hygiene reasons, to kill germs and to remove any micro bacteria or contaminants, we wipe it off with this dampened pad. The next step is to take a cotton swab, Q-tip, and go over the speakers and make sure we've gotten everything removed. And this is an optional step, but I like to do it to make sure it's clean and dry. I'll run the Q-tip along the hinge and also in the charging tubes of the case to make sure we've gotten everything out and that we are sparkling clean. And the final step to ensure everything is nice and shiny and clean and dry is to take a real fine microfiber and wipe down the case and of course the AirPods themselves to make sure that they are nice and happy. And that's pretty much how I keep my AirPods looking and sounding amazing. Give the FunTech a try. Let me know your thoughts below. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time.